you brush your hair before coming to class today? No? It's no worries. It's no worries. I can help you out. I can help you out. Just give me a. Just gonna do a little. You know, I actually was thinking of straightening my hair too, just because. I mean, obviously it's a lot quicker maintenance, you know, if you're consistent with taking care of it. But I mean, I guess the same could be said for my hair as well. You know, some people, it takes them hours upon hours to do their hair and style their hair, but I feel like one key factor that people forget about is that when we go to hair salons, it takes a minimum 2.5 hours for the whole process. Like if you're getting it washed and blow dried and styled, it takes a very, very, very long time. However, we've led ourselves to believe that when we're doing our hair at home, it's going to be this quick 25-30 minute process. And if it's not that quick of a process, then clearly we're doing something wrong. But I would say we're doing something right. Maybe we might have to change your process up a little bit because this is a bit concerning. Let's just put that back like it never happened. 1 second, we're just gonna add that right back in there. Hopefully it stays. It did it. Okay. You know what? I'll save this for later. Okay. But yeah. Oh. Okay. You know what? Let's just sew it all back in. How about that? Just gonna get to sewing and sewing and sewing. Sewing and sewing and sewing. Sewing and sewing and sewing. Maybe a little braid here, a little braid there. Oh, yeah. Secure just a little bit more. How is that? Let's see if it's secure enough. Let's give it a little tug. A little tug that way, balance it out. Okay. But yeah, back to my point at hand. I think we should be free to. I might have a few braids in here. I think we should be free to accept that all of our hair needs a little TLC, a little tender love and care. And that's going to take a little bit longer than 20 or 30 minutes. I mean, obviously, you know, knowing how to care for your hair in a sense that, you know, you should have those quick and easy styles on hand, and it'll be easier in the long run. But we shouldn't get so caught up in this idea that all of our hair is gonna have the same quick and easy go-to styles, because we don't. I wouldn't expect myself to be able to just do a quick brush and throw in some quick individual braids like this. However, I am aware that I can just go in the shower, let the steam hit my hair, and just hit one of these when I get out. And I'm more than satisfied with this style. It's really pretty on me. And you know, again, even with hairstyles, everyone doesn't have the same preference. Some people might think my hair looks a hot mess. Some people might think your hair looks a hot mess right now. But it's your preference. It's what you want to do with your hair. I mean, hey, we started this off with me saying your hair looked a little crazy. I mean, that's my opinion. but that doesn't mean it's fact. And even if you, decided, as you did, decided to, let me give you a little brush and braid, that doesn't mean that my preference is any better than your preference, because that's not the case. You know what I'm saying? That's just simply not a fact. And I want you to know. Your hair looks good, okay? Just gonna go ahead and finish up this last braid. And what I'm actually gonna do is, now that I've done these braids, I'm gonna braid these. I'm gonna twist these two together. And then maybe just feather that out at the end. And then twist these two together. And then twist that out at the end. Your nose is tickly. Alright, let me see. Just take a look. What else can I do? Just gonna maybe twist these up, give me a little natural curl. Hold it. Let it drop. That didn't work. Okay, that's fine. We're just gonna brush these out. Have you heard the new album by The Neighborhood? It just recently came out like the other day. The one song, Love Bomb, it will not get out of my head. It is such a good song. Like, it's so cute and beautiful and just like lighthearted. I was expecting it to be like about love bombing, like actual love bombing, as opposed to like a story of two people really feeling each other or being in love with each other, but not want to say it because they're afraid of getting hurt and wanting to break that curse of running away from, what's meant to be. So I think it's just such a cute little song. It has like this nice little nursery rhyme style to it at the end. It's just a really, really pretty song. It makes me happy. So I just really want to listen to it. It's like, okay, it's like, you just gotta say a few magic words, baby, you're the one that's gonna break the curse. What's it really matter who says it first? Say it to me, baby, I won't break the curse. You just gotta say a few magic words. What's it really matter who says it first? I don't remember exactly how it goes, and I like a little hum here and there, so I don't hurt anybody. Anywho,